Yeah, we're on Broadway right now in Kent. YouTube, what's goody? Welcome. We're in Williamsburg right now. We're at the bridge. Yeah. Can I go up there? Yeah. Okay, supermarket. She over there?
Where?
Over there.
Is this supermarket?
Yeah.
Called the coffee and
Yeah, like store should be. See? That type of stuff. I don't know. I don't know. Nice weather though. Well, sheesh. Bro. You even see it, Delhi. Yeah. It's a restaurant. Ooh. It's cold. Right by the water, bro. You see that out there?
yeah.
Right by the water. Alright. Yes. YouTube, we out here. Big wheels. You crossed? She left? She in the supermarket? Where you go? She over here? Weather nice for before.
Hurry up.
So see how much space and fence they put in between the water, so you're not supposed to go over there. Ain't no summer dip in here. None of that, bro.
Oh, you're going there?
Yeah, we got cheese. Look at my favorites though. Yeah, sure. No, I said this part of the video I have to go, I'm going to have to put some music over here because they got music playing. Follow try this. You try this. The poppers. Kayla would like to eat mild. This is good, look. This is good. Sorry for you don't like this? What? Those be slamming. We got chicken. There's some salads. You get your salad on the go. You say you want to eat BLT. I'll get you some sushi. They look nice. Nice, look pretty, right? Yeah. Tuna salad, egg salad. Yeah. I don't know. If you're a fan of salmon roll and that stuff. All kinds of stuff. We don't know. Bread truck's empty. Everybody gone with that bread truck. Look, all the trays empty. All over here. Yeah. This one lit. At least they got avocado lit. Done up. Yo. YouTube me just there. Walk around. While they grabbing what they grabbing. Yeah. Bake a cake. So, make a cake. Bake a cake. Bake a cake. Canned Coca-Cola. That's original. Yeah, man. So you got the original taste. So we don't know. What y'all think? Y'all think they capping? Or they really got the original taste? I don't know. Let's see. Fire. See? Huh? Oh yeah. We don't see no stores there. It's like different. Okay. Popcorn. What's veggie chips. See that? They got veggie chips. Well, them things be full of oil. You know, vegetable have its own oil, right? I don't know. Vegetable have its own oil. Them things be full of oil, boy. Like, wow, somebody have an accident. What happened to the victim? This dude, we're messed up. Barber shop in Kent. You go to the barber shop in Kent, man. Ooh. Look at the view. That's the best view on YouTube. Look, I got the best view on YouTube. Let's walk over here real quick. Walking with me, so alright. See y'all, I'm on. Alright, you doing? YouTube, we going down the water. See y'all later. Bro, right now, it's so nice out here, everybody outside. So I gotta go. Two things I gotta do. I gotta get a parking too, bro. It's nice. Yeah. You know. Look at the bird. He's chilling. Right by the water, bro. Yeah, YouTube. Got the Brooklyn Bridge over there, Manhattan Bridge, Willamsburg Bridge right here. Yeah. And all the way up there. Guess what floor? All the way up there, bro. Crazy. It's really nice, peaceful. You can really just relax, walk, especially if you're your kids or your pet. As you can see, a lady walking with the dogs right now. It's a really relaxed vibe. You chilling. The good thing, they got the protection, so you ain't got to worry about the kids falling through or the pets or any of that nature, you know. It's a real cool vibe.